how to force yourself to save money. Okay? So, if you're like me na pag may nanghiram sa'yo is mabilis kang, yung puso mo ba, maano siya, madaling mapukaw. Kahit walang-wala ka, natutulong ka talaga. If you're like me na, until na, wala kang masave dahil sa, yun, ganun ako before. Which is, hindi naman masamang magbigay, ano. Pero, ang masama doon kung ikaw mismo, wala kang protection sa sarili mo, wala kang savings. Kasi in case of emergency, wala kang makukuhanan. So, what I did para makorek ko yung sarili ko, no, naghanap ako ng makakausap. Paano ako mag-save na hindi, ang goal ko lang naman nun is paano makaka-save ng money na hindi ko siya nakukuha agad-agad, na nandun lang siya, na alam ko nandun siya, pero hindi ko siya nakukuha. So, ganun yung goal ko noon. So, pumunta ako sa isang bank, nagtanong na ako kung paano ba yun. So, I was, referred sa financial advisor na nandun. Generally, life pa siya noon eh. And then, ngayon, BDO life na siya. So, nandun ako, in-explain sa akin, ganun. Technically, wala akong naintindihan usually dun sa mga sinabi niya, kung ano mangyayari dun. Basta, ang naisip ko lang, may savings ako. Pero yung mga technicalities doon, hindi ko na iniisip. Hindi ko mag-gets. So, ayun. Kung sabi niya sa akin, magkano ba yung kaya mong ihulog every month? Or ano ba yung gusto mong mode of payment? Quarterly ba? Annually? Semi-annual? So, I choose yung quarterly. And then, so, yun. Doon nag-start yung pagsisave ko. So, every month, nagtatabi ako ng amount sa sweldo ko na savings ko na kasi nga alam ko may babayaran ako. So, on the side, naging expense ko siya, pero savings ko siya. Ganun yung nangyayari doon. So, doon ko na first yung sarili ko, how to save money. Until now, andun pa rin siya. Kasi, yung product na yun is an insurance. So, you save your money and then, you let your money grow there. At the end of 20 years yung kinuha kong plan. Actually, 8 years ko siyang binayaran. And then, at the end of 20 years, if I'm alive, paano, makukuha ko siya yung mayroon akong certain amount na makukuha doon. At the same time, insured ako. Yun yung maganda doon eh. Insured ako. Whatever happens to me, at least, yung may iwan ko, I'm not a burden to them. Kasi, meron silang makukuha na certain amount of money. Dahil, yun, nangyari, if ever lang may nangyari sa akin. So, yun yung the best protection for you guys if you are earning and would like to save money forcefully, no? And if you're like me also na mabilis mapukaw yung puso, na hanggang kahit na masagad ka, bigay ka pa rin ng bigay. If you're like me, no? It's better to protect yourself from any sad events like sickness. S for sickness, A for accident, and D for death. So, that's sad events. So, in case may mangyari sa'yo, at least your loved ones are protected. Okay? So, you're not a burden to them. So if these tips help you guys, or if this video helped you, please share this to someone, especially yung mga kabataan natin na kakagraduate lang, kakatrabaho lang, na gustong mag-save. Then, share this to them so that they'll know kung ano yung best na tips or best advice for them if they want to save money. And also, you can also talk to me if you are free, or just message me if you want financial advice. Ayan. Alright guys, thank you so much and bye guys.